because I want to stop. You want to go for a ride? No, come on. No, get off. Let go. You want to ride? Want to go swimming? Want to go swimming? Or you want to go ride? Okay. Oh, you gotta put it. Ready? You gotta hold on. Hold on to there. Hold on to there. You good? Why don't you put your hands down a little bit? Right there. Okay.